Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So rainy data updated you today is that the responsibility Solomon is not a striker. Nazar Napi defends Dylan Solomon after the Kaizer Chiefs player missed a good chance against Golden Arrows. Solomon is not a winger. He is not a striker. He is a right back. The problem is not Solomon. The problem, honestly, if you look at the game on Saturday, the game with Richards Bay, his same profile of the match, Nabi said, we create and control the match, and they scored on the counter-attack. This is a problem. I take responsibility. Not the players put to change the situation. We need two things. First, we need patience, and secondly, we need depth. Only one player is dropped after 16 or 45 minutes. We can change the positions. I'm worried if the team played very badly in the second game. I'm worried. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.